हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आई एम त्रियाशा पाल। आज हम अकाउंटिंग फॉर पार्टनरशिप फर्म फंडामेंटल का क्वेश्चन नंबर 20 करेंगे। विदाउट एनी फर्दर डू लेट्स बिगिन। मैं आपकी स्क्रीन में क्वेश्चन दे दूँगी, आप एक बार ज़रूर पढ़ लीजिएगा। यहाँ हमें प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट बनाना है। सो पर्टिकुलर अमाउंट क्रेडिट साइड डेबिट साइड। सो कैपिटल यहाँ हमें रेशियो दिया है 60:40 और कैपिटल 5 लाख 3 लाख दिया हुआ है और नेट प्रॉफिट 7,60,000। इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल, कमीशन, सैलरी, कमीशन और रेंट दिया हुआ है और ड्राइंग्स दिया हुआ है, टर्नओवर, टोटल टर्नओवर दिया है। ठीक है, चलिए लेट्स स्टार्ट। टू नेट प्रॉफिट अब पूरा लिखिएगा, ठीक है। 7,60,000 लेस रेंट में 20,000 पर मंथ दिया हुआ है। पर मंथ मीन्स वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई विथ 12। सो 20,000 into 12 is equals to 2,40,000. So 7,60,000 minus 2,40,000 is equals to 5,20,000. Clear? Here it's told that interest on capital to be charged at 8% per annum. So our capital is P's capital is 5 lakh. First we write it. Sorry, here we have to write by, not to. Here we have to write 2. Interest on capital at the rate 8% per annum. Here you write full interest on capital, आप पूरा लिखिएगा, ठीक है। P और Q. So 5 lakh into 8% is 40,000 and 3 lakh into 8% is 24,000. So plus it 40,000 is 64,000. 40 plus 24 is 64,000. पहले जो आपको आता है वो पहले कर लीजिएगा। So to salary entailed by Q is 5,000 per month. 5,000 per month means we have to multiply with 12. So 5,000 into 12 is 60,000. P 60,000 to commission. P will get commission at the rate 3% on turnover. Here turnover means sale and the total turnover is given. So total turnover is 20 lakh. So 20 lakh into 3% is 60,000 to commission. P, Q both have commission, so I have written like this 60,000 and Q will get commission of 5% on profit after deducting of interest and salary and commission including his own commission. So first we have to find out the divisible profit. 5,20,000 minus 60 minus 64,000, 64,000 and also minus 60,000. Because here it is told that including salary, deduction of interest, salary and commission, then P's commission also will be deducted. So 3,36,000 is the total amount from which 5% commission will be find out. Here it is also said that including his own commission also. So 5%, 5 into 5 divided by 105. Because including of his own commission is 5. So 100 plus 5 equals to 105 is equals to 16,000. Q is entitled with a commission of 16,000. So plus 60,000. Here it is, total commission is 76,000. Okay, clear? And all the entries have done. I think all the entries have done. Now we have to find out the divisible profit. So 5,20,000 minus 60 plus 60, 1,60,000 plus 60, 1,24,000 plus minus 1,24,000 minus 76,000. So 3,20,000 to divisible profit. Profit P and Q is 3,20,000. We have to distribute within 60:40. So divide 60 plus 40 is 100. So divide by 100 into 60. So 1,92,000 3,20,000 into 40 divide 3,20,000 into 40 divided by 100 is equals to 1,28,000. Plus it, we will get only 3,20,000 only. Check, and the balancing is, check the answer. Share of profit P is 1,92,000, Q is 1,28,000. Then we have to find out the capital, then we have to prepare the capital account of the partners. So I have drawn the partners capital account like this. Particular amount, here we will write the partner's name also. Let's start. So let's begin. So let's start. पहले पार्टनर कैपिटल लिखना है. बाय बैंक अकाउंट, P का कैपिटल है 5 लाख, Q का 3 लाख. सो यू हैव टू राइट दिस 5 लाख 3 लाख. देन डेबिट साइड का प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट का डेबिट साइड में जो है वैसे ये वाला अमाउंट्स हमें वैसे यहाँ पे दिखाना है, शो करना है. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. बाय इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल अकाउंट 40,000, 24,000 by salary. P doesn't entitled salary, so 60,000 Q only. By commission count 60,000, 16,000 by divisible profit account 8,000. Clear? Then in the debit side of partners capital account we have to write drawing. Partners drawing for the year is P is 40,000 and Q 30,000. Here we have to write to drawing account 40,000 in the column of P, and in the column of Q is 30,000. We have written. Now we have to balance the amount. Obviously the credit side is much bigger than debit side, so the amount of the adding amount will be, total amount will be in the on the total amount. So just calculate it. 5 lakh plus 40 plus 60 plus 1,92,000 1,92,000. So 7,92,000 and 3 lakh plus 24,000 plus 60,000 plus 16,000 plus 1,28,000. 5,28,000. Deduct it from minus 30. 30 is 4,92,000. The balance figure we have to write this like this. Balance carried down. C by D, C/D means carried down. Carried down 4,98,000 and 7,90,000 and 7,92,000 minus 40,000 is 7,52,000, where we have to write 7,52,000. So in the 7,52,000, so 7,92,000 and 5,28,000. Let's check it. Balance of capital account is P is 7,52,000 and 4,98,000. So here the answer came. If you like my video, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any queries, then please drop a comment on the comment section, And thank you and have a nice day.